Sadie. Hi.
You're who?
Sister.
Or brother?
My brother.
Is it your brother?
Yes.
Do you want to say hi? Yeah?
I didn't even tell her you had the baby, so.
Want to go see?
That's my sister.
It's your brother.
My brother.
You have a brother, Sadie.
His name is Keegan. You say Keegan? Keegan. You excited? Want to say hi to Mama?
Hi. Okay, come here. You're a big sister.
Big sister?
Yay! Sadie,
What's he been doing?
Sadie, what do big sisters do?
There's a bite of mac and cheese if you want it.
What do big sisters do? Take a nap.
Take a nap.
Oh, you
And to drink.
would like something to drink,
Want some water?
please?
Yeah.
Here you go. 2 hands.
Right after that, she was over there.
She has no diaper on, by the way.
Yeah, I mean, I took her to the bathroom today, but I asked her.
My paper's gone. I can't tell one. My paper's gone.
Okay.
And then more paper.
So she could?
Yeah, so I've asked her first.
Okay.
Wearing Julia's
Nice.
Yeah.
Big girl
Yes.
underwear.
So we gotta be sure to tell us if you gotta go potty, okay?
Because you're a big sister now.
Who's that? Who's that?
And then my baby.
Your baby.
Can you say Keegan?
Keegan.
Keegan.
Wake him up.
That's
Are you, when he wakes, you want to hold your baby?
It's cute. Ooh, he's moving.
He's moving.
He's alive.
There's your baby.
it's waking up.
Yeah.
He's moving. He's moving.
He
The hardest
is.
thing for her
Look.
would be to not think it's a toy.
I'm doing big better.
Yeah.
He's your baby brother, your big sister.
What happened? What happened to your baby?
It's out now.
It's moving.
Yeah.
It's moving.
Can you say Keegan?
Keegan.
Keegan and Sadie.
It's I'm gonna be a big sister.
You are a big sister officially, as of today. For the rest of your life, you're a big sister.
It's moving. It's moving.
Do you see that little foot?
You see the foot?
Another one.
It is a little one.
He's moving and it means it's gonna be a big girl. And it's my baby. What happened to baby?
It's out now.
Oh,
It was
but
growing inside of here, and now it's all done. You did the same thing, you know. You were in here.
It's moving. It's moving.
Thanks, Michelle, for your help today.
Oh, yeah. Well, we'll do a
It's
real.
moving.
Sadie, what's your baby brother's name?
2.5 years old.
How about Keegan?
Keegan's name is my sister.
Brother.
No sister.
Okay.
She's a girl.
It's a boy.
She's a boy, and that is a boy, so it's Merlot's
That's right.
Wait, Merlot is a...
girl.
What's
So-
Cooper?
Cooper's a boy, me too.
So we have Cooper, Keegan, and Daddy are boys.
How about Grandpa? Is he a boy or girl?
A girl.
Grandpa's a girl?
No, boy.
Okay.
You want to get right here? This is the shot.
Oh.
Baby. That's Mug. That's my brother.
That's
Yes.
your brother forever and ever.
You're a big sister.
It's mine. It's mine.
Yes. It's your responsibility. You're gonna change his diaper.
Baby.
Mhm.
You want to see his hand?
Baby.
Here's his hand. It's hidden away to stay nice and warm. Look at
She wants.
his long fingers. He's gonna play the piano.
You can hold his hand, Sadie.
Put your finger in there, and he'll grab on. He'll go. Weep. See?
Great job, Sadie.
Oh no, see her hand. And she wanna eat apples.
He
wants to eat
All
applesauce.
he eats is milk right now. Remember in the book, no ice cream, no carrots, just milk.
Baby, what do you want? What happened, baby?
Might be time to eat.
Baby. Baby.
Might be time to eat.
Baby.
Sadie, be careful rocking.
Gentle, you're so good.
She,
Does he have fingernails like you? Does he have fingernails? They're not painted though.
she wanna paint them.
No, not yet. Not till he's 18.
And see my name's baby. Look at her mouth.
Yeah, there's no teeth. No teeth.
We see it. See her face. Baby. She won't bother.